It is a beautiful fall day in the Frugal Gardener's garden, and as usual, there's a lot going on. I harvested these Malabar spinach vines the other night because I knew we were going to have frost. They said it was going down to 38, it went down to 34. These are a little bit wilted, but I brought them back out today. These are just hanging here because I need to actually separate these from the actual vine so that I can wash them and cook them and eat them. So that's where we are in terms of what's in progress right now, but that's not all. Here is the remnants from the great sweet potato harvest. I've gone through this several times. Each time I've found a few more. And so it is time to move on to the next phase because the cold weather is coming. I added these coffee grounds to the soil, and that's about it. So what I'm in the process of doing now is transplanting these starters. These are mostly Georgia collard greens, and there are also some red cabbage. And these are not all my starters. There's a few more scattered around the garden, and they are going in here. I'm in the process of filling up these pots. I stopped to make this video. These are the greens, the leaves from Saturday's harvest, and I didn't do it with the smaller pots, but in the larger pots, you can see these are the leaves and the vines. I put a couple of shovels full of soil in the bottom, and then I added the greens. This will break down over time and add nutrients to the soil because I do not intend on adding any other nutrients. Now, where is the soil coming from? Well, obviously it's coming from here, but quite a bit of it came from here and mostly here. Rather than put that soil back, it makes better sense for me to separate it this way. Number one, it gives me more mobility. I can't move that monster over there, either one of those, but I can move these. If it gets really cold, I can easily put them in a place where they will be able to survive. I can also better control if there is any insects or any unwelcome critters that are trying to destroy things. So that's where I am right now. That's where I am today. And once these are filled, not sure exactly what I'm going to do with the rest of the soil. But like I said, now, one thing I forgot to add. As a precaution, I'm also going to add a seed or two to each one of these pots, because in the event that something goes wrong with these guys here, then hopefully I'll have a backup. It is kind of late, very late actually, to direct seed. I mean, I'm in 6B and it is approaching the mid of October. So not sure those seeds are going to germinate and how that's going to work out, but it's kind of my backup system, my plan B. So that's it for now. The harvest video for the sweet potatoes and purple yams will be up soon. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Thank you once again for subscribing, reposting this video, and for hitting the notification link. So this is a short video, and I'm going to let you get back to your day. But as always, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next video.